Hello, Juris. Meenakshi Sinha is here from Concept of Physics. Question related with velocity. A car traveling with the velocity of 52 kilometers per hour stopped in 5 seconds after applying negative acceleration. Negative acceleration किसी पे लगाएंगे? It means मंदन. A car is traveling with the velocity. एक कार है जो velocity v1 u1 is equal to 52 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर से चल रही है. स्टॉप हो जाती है विद इन 5 सेकेंड. ओके, आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन इट मीन्स रिटार्डेशन. ए इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव है, ठीक है. ओके, देन इट मीन्स जब स्टॉप हो जाती है वी शुड बी 0. अनदर कार, दिस इज सेकंड कार ट्रेवलिंग विद द वेलोसिटी ऑफ 30 किलोमीटर. इस केस में u1 या इसको u2 कर दीजिए. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू, बिकॉज 2 इज द सफिक्स फॉर सेकंड कार. दूसरी कार के लिए 2 लिख दिया हमने, u2, दैट इज 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, ये भी स्लोली स्लोली रिटार्डेशन होके इट इज स्टॉप स्लोली in 10 seconds. It will t for this t2 can be written as is equal to 10 seconds. 2 suffixes for second car. Which of the two cars travel the largest distance? किसका कौन largest distance चलेगा ये देखना है. ओके, सबसे largest distance निकाला. इसमें भी a निकालना पड़ेगा. a2 is not known to, a1 is not known to us. v in case v2 is also 0 and the v1 is equal to 0. Okay, ये सब t1 and v1 हो गया. Now we have to find S1 in this case and S2 is this case. Which one is greater than S2 is greater than S1 is S2 is lesser than S1 or S2 is greater than S1. ये प्रूव करना है, ये देखना है. ओके, व्हाट वी टू डू, क्या करें? सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी वेलोसिटी से वी हैव टू फाइंड द एक्सेलरेशन. बिकॉज जो इक्वेशन होती है S को लिखने के लिए S इज इक्वल टू ut प्लस 1/2 at स्क्वायर. ए आता है. एक्सेलरेशन की कैलकुलेशन करनी जरूरी होगी इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर S. v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. a is necessary, so first of all our aim will be to calculate a in first case and as well as in second case. दूसरे केस में भी सेकंड केस में भी एक्सेलरेशन निकालना जरूरी है, क्योंकि जो हमारी इक्वेशंस होती हैं वो होती हैं S इज इक्वल टू ut प्लस 1/2 at स्क्वायर, जिसमें s निकालते हैं. इसमें a नहीं पता. दूसरी इक्वेशन होती है v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. इसमें भी हमारे पास a नहीं है. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड a s, तो a इज मस्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर प्रेफरेंस विल बी टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a इन बोथ दी केसेस, दोनों केसेस में. ओके, पहले केस में करते हैं. v पता है हमें, v1 इज इक्वल टू u at1 या t1 लगा देंगे. इसके v1 इज 0, यहाँ से a निकल जाएगा. u इज गिवन टू अस 52. अब u इज इन 52 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इट मीन्स इट इज टू बी कन्वर्टेड बिकॉज टाइम इज इन सेकेंड. टाइम किस में है? सेकेंड्स में. तो इसका मतलब ये है इसकी वेलोसिटी मीटर पर सेकेंड में निकालनी पड़ेगी. इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट एनी वेलोसिटी from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply by 5/80. It means it will be equal to, this 52 will be equal to 52 into 5/80 meter per second. Meter per second इसकी dimensions हो जाएगी. If we multiply this equation by 5/18, 5 को कैंसिल करेंगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 9 से 2 से कर सकते हैं 26 इंटू 5/9 दिस मीटर पर सेकेंड. दिस विल बी द वेलोसिटी u1. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस u वी हैव टू पुट 26 इंटू 5/9. इस u की जगह हमें क्या रखना पड़ेगा? 26 इंटू 5/9, दैट इज 26 इंटू 5/9 minus 80 because it is going to stop within 5 seconds. It is retardation, so that minus sign will be there. A is to be find, a1 is to be find out. Into t1 is already given to 5 seconds. Into 5 seconds. Now a1, 5 times a1, this will be equal to 26 into 5 by 9. Okay, it means A1 will be equal to 26 into 5 upon 9 into 5. 5 this 5 will get cancelled, so that we can get the value of A is equal to 26 upon 9. Okay, ये हुआ मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. This is the value of A, but this is not to be find out. We have to find out the value of distance trace. Hence distance trace S1 will be equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. A1 T1 square. Here T1 is to be suffix to be used for the first car. पहली कार के लिए one suffix लगा है. Now U is equal to what? 26 into 5 by 9. This is U into T itself is 5. Okay. Plus, now it will be minus because retardation is there. Minus 1 by 2 A. A was this. A is equal to this 26 by 9. 26 by 9 into T square 5 into 5. This will be the distance traced. Now you see here, देखेंगे 26 common, 5 into 5 common, 9 also common, and only 2 is not common, so that this whole quantity can be taken as common one. 6 into 5 5 is 25 upon 9 can be taken as common one. Or this will be 1 minus 1 by 2. It means this will equal to 26 into 25 upon 9 into 1 by 2. Now this will be the value. इसको cancel करें इसको यहाँ. This will be get 30. It means this the answer will be here 30 into 25 upon 9. What is the value of 13 into 25? This can be calculated over here. 30 into 25. 13 5s are 65, carry 6. 13 2s are 26 plus 6, 32. This is 325 upon 9. 9 is to be divided. 325 upon 9. This will be equal to 3 3s are 27. 5 बचेगा 56.1. This is will be equal to 36.1 meter. Okay, this calculation has been done. ये हमने this is for equation card number 1. Now S2 is to be calculated in the same way. इसी तरह S2 calculate करेंगे. और देखिए फिर से we will start here for second car. Same V2 will be equal to U plus U2 plus A T2. Okay, T2. A is to be found in this case. A निकालेंगे. V is in this case 0 है. U was here 30. This U is to be converted in meter per second because U is given to us 30 km per hour. In order to convert this U2 will become, इसको रब कर देते हैं. No use of this equation. Then U2 will be equal to 30 into 5 by 18. That is 50 into 5 by 9. Okay. Okay. That is 25. Oh, so, ठीक है. 50. This is U. Then U2 is U is equal to 50 into 5. It can also be cancelled or be cancelled. Sorry, 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 25. That is 25 by 3. Okay. U2 will be equal to 25 by 3. Okay. This 25 by 3. 25 upon 3 into T. T2 is UT. Sorry. U plus AT. A is to be find out. A2 is to be find out. Okay. T2 is equal to 10 second into 10 second. It means 10. A2 will be equal to 25 by 30. This will be minus because retardation is there. So we have to use minus sign. Okay. Then A2 will be equal to 25 upon 30. That is 5 upon 6. This A2. Now V as further can be obtained by same तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं. You can use this formula. v square is equal to u square minus 2s, or use this you can use ut plus 1 by 2 at square. S will obtain will be the same. Now S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. In this case, this will be S2 ut, u and t. T is 10 second, u is 25. 25 by 3 into 10 second plus 1 by 2. This plus this should be minus because it is in the case is of retardation. A t square. Mandhan ke कारण a t square. A is equal to a, we have calculated this 5 by 6 5 बटे 6 into t square. T is equal to 10. It means 10 into 10. 10 into 10. Now this 2 3s are 6. इसको कर दिया, इसे 5 हो गया. ओके, ठीक है. इसको भी काटा 2 से, ये 3 हो गया, ये भी 5 हो गया. ओके, 25 है, ये 2 by 3, दिस इज 1 by 3, तो t square. ओके, ut plus 1 by 2 t square. This will be equal to what we can take common, 25. Okay, 25 we can take common. This हो गया common, and 3 can be taken as a common one. This is 10 minus 5 by 3. 10 minus 5 by 3. This is 1 by 3 is common here. ठीक है, nothing in this is only 5. Then हो गया into 5. 25 by 3 कम ले, this is 25 by 3 हो गया. into यहाँ 10 बचा और यहाँ एक 5 बचा. ओके, 5 बचा, ठीक है. 10 into 5 बचा. Okay, this will be equal to 25 into 5 by 3, that is 125 by 3. Divide कीजिए इसको. This will be equal to 4.6 meter. Then S2 is equal to 4.65 meter. It means from here S2 will be equal to S2 is equal to 42.6 meter and S1 is equal to 31.1. So S2 is greater than, it means S2 is greater than S1. Second case में जो गाड़ी में distance trace किया, that will be more than the previous car. Okay, second case की जो गाड़ी है उसकी दूरी चलेगी ज़्यादा है in comparison to the first one. This is trace distance by this car. The speed of 52 km per hour will be lesser than the distance traced by the car which is moving with 30 km per hour. Okay, thank you. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe me. पसंद आया होगा, समझ में आया होगा, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और खुश रहिए. For a good future, good night.